Welcome to the project of automatic moving flow of a room for smart homes. In the room, the man is sleeping. There is a bed, a dressing table, a door, main floor, false floor, and cost box. Suppose the man wants to go to the door. He simply says, "Take me to the door." The cost box listens to the instruction, analyzes it, and comes to a conclusion. It is connected to each and every tile of the room. This is the basic layout of the room, the array of tiles. Cosbox detects all the pressure points in the room with the help of pressure sensor embedded in each tile. As in the Cosbox, the position of bed and dressing table is already defined at the time of installation, so it will be easy to detect the starting and destination tiles. Cosbox will find the optimal path for the tiles to move. Each tile consists of combination of gears and motors so that it can move in all directions. Up-down movement of tiles. Forward and backward movement. Movement within the same plane. The movement of tiles are completely governed by the Cosbox. Finally, the man reached his destination.